Okay guys, here's the results from the robot, the NAS Killer Pro 3.0, the killer of all robots. Of course, to get the robot guys, you gotta go to our website. That's where you can get the robot. We are selling it on our website. You can get this robot. Let me close some few trades. I think I want to close some few trades now. Let me close these trades. Okay, I'm gonna be closing. This is great guys. I'm the best robot in Africa to be proven in the world. But you know what, I'm gonna leave 3 trades so that I wait for the robot to give me another trade. For now, I'm happy with the results I'm seeing. From 10,000 rands, I'm approaching 50,000 guys. I just wanna turn this 10,000 into 100,000. I wanna see where I can take it. But for now, it's on 33,000. I think it's fine for now. Just in 2 days, we took this account to that much. So if you wanna get the robot, of course, you gotta go to our website. That's where you gotta get the robot. You can see our website on the screen there. You can see our website on your screen. Cheers guys, peace, take care.